Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are vlogging. It's raining a ton. It was raining yesterday, it rained all night long. It's raining now. It's supposed to rain through tomorrow as well. So Matt actually kind of has the day off at least. He does construction with my dad's company, so if it's flooded and there's a ton of rain, obviously they can't really do anything on the ground if it is a sopping wet mess. Say hi.
Hi.
So right now I am about to get ready. I've got my makeup bag here, but what we're gonna do, since the big kids are at school, it's only 8 o'clock right now, so we just got back from getting them at school and I took a quick shower. So we're gonna go through all of our Christmas presents that we got for them, also because their birthdays are also right around this time. Connor's is November 28th, which happens to be Thanksgiving this year. And then Lacey's birthday is December 20th. So we need to go through and see what we've already purchased and kind of organize it. Also for Bo, our 2.5-year-old, and find out what we're missing, what we're gonna give them for their birthday presents. We need to get stocking stuffers still, and just kind of go through all of that. Now I'm going to make a separate video for like what I got my kids for Christmas. So if that's something that you guys want to see, let me know. It might be up probably in the next 2 weeks after we get everything together. I'll do that for you guys. So that's what we're gonna do right now really quick. I'm gonna put on some makeup. I have been like breaking out lately. Like it's not cute. And I just turned 29. Like why? So we will see this much better looking in just a minute. So a little change of plans. Say hi. Say hi. So we're in Matt's truck. So if it's bumpy or loud, I apologize. But he has to go get something for somebody's job site.
Sandbags to plug a leak in a garage because the rain has now flooded a driveway that we done.
That. So we're going to do that first, and then we have to pick up his check, I think, maybe, and then we can get going. It's not raining right now. Streets and stuff are still flooded, but it's not currently raining, which is, we didn't grab an umbrella, huh?
No, we did not.
Okay. Well, we'll see how it goes. At least it's bouncy. It's not raining right now, so yeah. We got little guy back there. Hi, Bobo. So we're in like a fancy schmancy gated community. The guys typically do their pavers and stuff in really nice neighborhoods. Almost like mansion type of houses. It's crazy. And behind these houses are the mountains that are just kind of covered in the clouds.
I hope that thing works. So that's Camelback Mountain.
Camelback Mountain, people. If you've ever been to Arizona, if you've never been to Arizona, that's what it is. These houses are so pretty. I mean, they all kind of look the same. They all have the same kind of style to them.
Yeah.
The same finishes, like the same windows, and
this is like a little like high-end, like modernistic, like condo village.
Ah, that makes sense. And there's another mountain, and there's even houses. I don't know if it's too far for you guys to see, but there's some houses built into the mountain up there as well.
So that one's named Mummy Mountain.
Mummy Mountain. Nice. Where to next?
Go to the store. We need to find Nicole a jacket, me a jacket, and I think are we picking up a couple more presents?
Yeah.
And stuff.
Birthday presents and some stocking stuffers.
Oh yeah, stocking stuffers.
Yep.
So that's next on the list. Let's get rolling.
Woo! Uh-oh, can't even see anything. Okay, that's enough. You're gonna hit the curb. Puddles and big trucks, people. Are you playing with a guitar? Yeah. Looking for Connor. Each kid needs one outfit, a top and some pants. It's a 12 though.
Yeah, we grow into it. You can wear it for a minute.
That's kind of cool. With the lion on it. What? What?
Guitar?
Yeah, guitar.
Yeah.
We're not actually getting this. He just is playing it to be distracted, huh? So you think you want to get this one? Ooh. And it's long sleeve. Well, let's see. This is $3.50. And this shirt is $4.99. So I guess we're gonna get the one for $3.50, aren't we? He has some pants similar to this already, but they're not black like these ones. They have a lot of like athletic type of pants. Oh, these are the ones that we got him last time, I think. These blue ones. Bo, sit down, please.
I like this one more. This is
Daddy,
cool.
Okay. These are basically like sweatpants, except they do have a few pairs of jeans.
Oh, yeah?
A lot of these are like crop tops, so they're like tied up in the front, which I don't feel like is appropriate for children her age.
That's not necessarily a crop top, but it speaks to the crop top design, but that's long enough that it would cover her.
That one's cute, but I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
What if she were to raise her arms for like the monkey bars?
Yeah, that's true.
Why are you whining? That's really all they have.
What you doing, buddy?
Ooh, these are cute too, though.
You want to sit back in there?
And a cat shirt. Look,
Ooh.
I'd be a little concerned about the white, but I mean, which one do you like? You said you didn't like this one as much.
Yeah. I really like the girl with the beanie. I think that one's super cute.
This would match her pants though, because it has the cats on it.
Yeah, but the girl thing is
Shirt's
really.
like fashion-y.
Yeah.
Okay.
It speaks to her.
$6. Oh, that was $7, but it comes with that hair tie.
Yep.
So, okay. So we'll do these ones and that one.
And the shirt. Awesome.
What are we doing? Are we throwing a fit? Come on. Let's go. We're leaving.
We're gonna go look at the toys.
Oh, toys? Come on, let's go look at toys.
So we just got out of Ross. I will show the haul with the Christmas stuff because everything we got is Christmas presents. It's all basically clothes, and then we got something for Bo for his stocking. So you'll have to wait for that video to see what we got. So yeah.
Well, they had a sneak peek of Lacey's
Well, that's
shirt
true.
and pants.
That's true, when we were picking things out, but I'll actually show you like what we got, the prints, you know, like what they look like with that video. Speed bump.
Boom. Boom.
You get thrown around so much in this gigantic truck. It's 11:30. It's lunchtime. This guy's getting tired, getting whiny, and asking for food. So, where are we going? Speed bump.
Big chop.
Ew.
Filibertos.
I'm fine with Filibertos. I love Mexican food, if you didn't know. It's my favorite. He loves Chinese food.
Popeyes.
Another speed bump. Popeyes.
Popeye's chicken is the shiznit.
I'd still prefer Filiberto's. We'll see. We'll show you where we're going in just a minute. Well, now we're back in the truck and we went to Popeye's instead, as you saw. And then I didn't even film, but we did go into Burlington. I don't think you'll be able to see it from here, but Matt found a jacket in there. I did not. They didn't really have a lot of options in my size. I tried looking in the men's, but they were like too manly. So I'm gonna have to go to Walmart a different day because this kid is very tired and was running around like a crazy person in there. So now we are just speed bump. Oh geez, sorry, the soda almost spilled. Anyway, we're going home. So yeah, that way. Oh, also, the school called and it was the front office lady. Connor's shoes were untied and the lunch lady was walking and stepped on his shoelace. So when he was trying to walk, that made him trip and fall. And she said that he hit his head somewhere and just has like a red mark, and they gave him some ice for it. She said he wasn't bleeding or anything, but he was telling her that it felt like his ribs were broken. So we talked to him on the phone, kind of asked him like what happened, how he was feeling and all that stuff. And he said it felt like his ribs were like hurting a lot. But Matt made sure that he could, oh that's shaky, that he could like breathe, and he tried to look at his side and make sure there was no bruising. And she said that he wasn't crying anymore or anything, so we left him at school because I guess he was saying he wanted to come home. But based on what he was saying to Matt, we decided to leave him at school. So when he gets home, we're gonna have to kind of look him over and see exactly what happened. So we'll find out. Hi guys. Real life editing Nicole here. I wanted to jump on really quick because I realized I never gave you an update on what happened to Connor after like the rest of the day. So he did not hit his face. He did hit his, I guess his ribs, his side a little bit. There was a really small red mark, so there was nothing on his face. So I guess they were icing his side. So Matt looked it over. We were kind of pushing on it. He was taking deep breaths and nothing seemed to be wrong with it or anything. So we did not end up taking him like to the doctor or anything, but I thought I should give you an update really quick. But now back to your regularly scheduled program. Remember when I said we were going straight home? Well, that was a lie. We're at Walmart. We figured while we're out, we might as well try and get everything that we can, especially while we don't have the big kids and Bo won't notice the stocking stuffers. Oh, we need to hold hands? You want to hold my hand? Okay. All right, now we can go.
What time?
What?
What time?
One time?
We're going through the men's section to find me a jacket because the women's doesn't really have anything. What is this? It's like split. Like a man jumper?
It's a man romper.
A man romper, but it's got like a zipper. They're on clearance. I wonder why. What is this? I've never seen these before. This is hilarious. Oh my gosh. Matt said he'll rock one. Like what guy is gonna wear this though? Like,
I think I can fit.
They'd be like shorts, but what, I don't understand like what the point of it is. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know what? Let's do a challenge. If this video gets 200 likes, give it a thumbs up. I need 200 thumbs up and we'll come back and get one of these man rompers for Matt.
Deal. 200.
Deal. You heard him. It's on the internet.
200.
You heard him. Ooh, this has a pack of 3. One for each kid. It has caramel in it.
What?
that has caramel in it.
They have caramel now?
Yeah. One for each kid.
That was a Kinder Joy right
The kids have been asking about these. I think we should get them one for their stocking. They have, what is that, a polar bear. I don't know what that is. And a penguin. Oh, an elf. I think the penguin is cute. And maybe an elf. I think that'll be fun. We can get him some mini M&Ms.
We should give him some icebreakers because they're breast thing.
Rude. Let's get him some mini M&Ms. 3 of those.
The big kisses down at the bottom. They're not like the giant ones, but they'll still freak over a giant. That's a giant kiss.
You want one of these?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like a little Santa hat.
No.
That's cute. It's red and then it has the white on it.
Oh, that's cute.
2 or 3?
Just 2 for the big guys.
So Bo has mini M&Ms and a Santa Claus. They have 1, 2, 3. They each have 4 things, and then Bo has 2 things.
We need to get candy canes. Classic.
Candy canes, like peppermint candy canes, original.
No, not those candy canes. Those candy canes.
Oh, I don't want that one. I want to put candy canes in there. Ooh, they have Hawaiian Punch. They have like soda flavors, Dr. Pepper, A&W, and 7-Up.
Get the Dr. Pepper.
Oh my gosh. Dr. Pepper is my favorite drink ever, if you didn't know.
Is that root beer?
Yeah, A&W.
Yeah.
Something more sweet. What? This one's filled like a pixie stick. I've never seen that before. They have sweet tarts.
They have juicy drop ones.
Oh, they have nerds. That would be fun. Starburst. Lifesaver flavor. And then the mini ones, which are like my favorite. Ooh, juicy drops. You like dip it into there maybe? Which one do you want to get? You want to get, I want to get something more candy-like, so either the sweet tarts or the nerds.
Do the nerds.
Nerds? Nerd. Nerd is the word. Yummy. All right, done. So we are back home. It is 3 o'clock on the dot. I just got Bo down for a nap. It took me like closer to 40 minutes, I think, to get him down for a nap. He is not a good sleeper anymore at all. He doesn't nap unless either I hold him and rock him to sleep, or there's Archer. Or if I lay down in bed with him, if I just put him in his room, he plays with things, he turns the light on and off, and he just gets up constantly. That's Dixie. So it's stressful. So Matt just left. He's going to get the big kids from school, and then he's going to stop by the bank, and then they should be back home. I ended up getting a pair of shoes at Walmart, a jacket at Walmart, which I found in the men's section, but it's kind of a girly color. And then we got some plates for dessert for Thanksgiving that just say thankful on it. And I got like a 2-pack of bras from Ross, because I've been meaning to get some more. Mine are like 3 or 4 years old. I haven't bought any new ones recently, so yeah. And then we still need one thing for Lacey from Amazon. We're getting the big kids 2 things each, I think. We have to wait for Black Friday for that, and then we're getting Bo one more thing, which we're waiting for Black Friday as well. So, yeah. But let me know if your toddler is not good at sleeping either. I feel like ever since we put him in the toddler bed, which has been maybe 3 or 4 months, that he doesn't sleep well at all anymore. You'd think he'd be used to it by now, but he's not. So I don't know, like, what else to do. And we've tried, like, at nighttime too, we put him in his bed, obviously, and it still takes him anywhere from 1 to like 3 hours to fall asleep. He only falls asleep if we give him like melatonin or Benadryl, because he was having allergies like last month or something. We gave him some Benadryl, and those obviously like knock him out, but I don't want to drug my kid every night either. And we've tried like a lavender bath. We've put lavender essential oils in his room. We've done like reading books. I've tried to sing songs to him and all that kind of stuff. And I feel like maybe 3 nights a week he'll get really good sleep. And then the other days he doesn't fall asleep until like 10 p.m. and then he's up at like 6 a.m. And for his little body to get 8 hours of sleep at night is not enough. And you can tell because he acts really bad. So I don't know what else to do. I'm trying my best. So if you have any tips or tricks on how to get a toddler to sleep in his own bed and like fall asleep, like go to sleep fairly quickly, let me know. I found my vacuum. It was in my room, which Bo was sleeping in, so that was fun to sneak in there. But it's raining really hard again. Let me show you. I guess you can't really tell from here. Can you tell the rain is going sideways? Let me get you a different angle. Woo! Can you tell now? I don't know if you can. Oh, the porch is getting all wet too. It's definitely a storm. And I'm glad we're home for the night. Dang. Woo! I'm going inside. I'm getting sprayed. Here's what these bums are doing. Watching Pokemon, eating snacks. While Mom's hard at work as usual, huh? Yep, she said. Look out the front door. Yeah, it always floods right around here for us and over here. That is crazy. We never get rain here. I live in Arizona, if you didn't know. I don't know if I mentioned that before or not.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this. 'Cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me breathless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah.
So it's 5 o'clock and we're gonna get dinner going. We're making baked chicken. I think I'm gonna do a rice side and some corn. And I'm just eating a Reese's peanut butter cup. Their thought, right? Alright, so we gotta start the rice. Have you guys had these before? I love them. The mushroom is definitely my favorite. But I gotta make this on the stovetop. Totally forgot to include you guys. We are cutting up the chicken, taking it off of the bone. It was a bone-in chicken thighs. So good. Garlic, salt, and pepper. 400 degrees for an hour. It was an hour, right?
Yeah, more or less.
There's the rice. And then we have plates over here. That's what I'm doing, is plating these bad boys up. Delicious! Yours. Yummy!
Oh shit! That was a good idea. Nicole! And I'm the one, huh?
Well, we're gonna go ahead and sit down to eat dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us today. If you did, give it a big thumbs up for me down below. Also subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you. Don't forget to head over to Instagram and Facebook. You can follow me there. The links are down below in the description box. But I hope you guys are having a great day, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.